When the whole world was dragged into World War III, brave men like my father fought on the front lines. And they weren't alone. That was 20 years ago. Now it's up to us to carry on their legacy. And every so often, the earth from which we come gives way for something new, something greater to be born. And with them, even greater threats to face. Bring it on! PHENOMENOAVA. For you, Dad. For you.
Hey guys, Fanta here, and we're going to take a look at the sign up for PHENOMENOAVA #1 Lightning Strikes by Von Coleman. This is a beautiful looking book. Look at this. And the blues and greens grab me, you know how I do. But it's a beautiful looking book. The story is so interesting. It grabs your attention. You want to know what happens, kind of thing. But I'll have social media and the link to back in the description. There's those blues and greens, as well as the link. Did I say link to back? Anyway, it'll be under the video too. Those colors caught me in, and I just lost my train of thought. But this is a beautiful, beautiful campaign. Let's go check it out. We are for the sign up on MailChimp for PHENOMENOAVA #1 Lightning Strikes. Okay. Witness the birth of a new phenomenon. Okay. Young creators everywhere should take note of Von Coleman's passion and enthusiasm for the medium. His PHENOMENOAVA has the potential to be the spark that's needed to ignite the next chapter in self-publishing comics. Billy Tucci. Wow. Quote from Billy Tucci. Billy's awesome. Here you see images I spoke over. I got them from the trailer and this sign-up page. A brand new era in comic book history begins here. Okay. 20 years after World War III, the idealistic son of an Army veteran is struck by lightning while holding a mysterious crystal. Ooh. When he awakens, he discovers he has electricity and lightning speed powers. Ooh, nah. Armed with his newfound powers, Miles dons a costume and the name... I gotta make this bigger. Galvanite? Okay. And strikes out on his own to become a superhero like the ones who came before him. However, he is slammed with a harsh reality when his attempt to stop a heist at a nuclear reactor goes awry, and he is faced with a supervillain far beyond his capabilities to defeat. Okay, sorry that took so long. And then there's the trailer. And there's the debut comic from Rebel Oasis Studios. Okay, so this is Vaughn's. Alright. I'll let you read there. And here's some more of the art. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Vaughn is very, very talented. Look at those blizzard guys. I love silhouettes too. I don't know, I just do. Here you can put in your email and subscribe. And that signs you up. I love this image. This image here. That's beautiful, man. It's just amazing. Launch date plus plan. Okay, let's see. The crowdfunding campaign for PHENOMENOAVA issue number 1, Lightning Strikes, is now set to launch on Friday, March 29th at 7 p.m. Eastern on Fund My Comic. Yay! Irene Strakowski will still be hosting the live stream of the launch party on her YouTube channel. Okay. I'll have her channel in the description. And there's the Fun My Comic. And here we go. Here's some more to look at and read. I'll let you guys do that. It's pretty awesome, man. Beautiful. Just beautiful. And there's the team, and telling you everybody that's on the team, which is nice. Give props to your team. Alright, so there you have it. This is the sign up for PHENOMENOAVA. Get over here and sign up. Like it said, launching March 29th. That's a Friday on Reenie's channel. So make sure you're subscribed to Reenie. I'll put her channel in the description, as I said, and all the others. So you can be there for the launch. Sign up here, though, so you'll have updates and things like that. Be ready, because this one's going to do great. I just know it. As always, thank you for sticking with me through this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Please like and subscribe, and remember, when you ring that noti bell, a dark angel gets her wings.